Calibration. The methods that can be used calibration with weights and handheld scales. First, demonstrate the operation of calibration with weight. Please prepare a 10 kg weight before calibration. Enter the system function option. Select the calibration. Press enter button. Input calibrating code. Enter next step. Select main tank load cell. Open the back door on the unit. Remove the fixing screws on the bottom of the internal cylinder. Take out the internal cylinder. Press the enter button. Enter next step. Zero calibrating. Press enter button after zero calibration succeeded. Follow the prompt. Put a 10 kg weight on the steel cylinder handle. Select next step, then press enter button. Load cell calibrating. Successful. Press exit button back to main menu. Take out the weight. Next, show the other calibration weight with the hand scale. Weigh the internal cylinder weight by a handheld scale. Put the steel cylinder back in its original position. Select the calibration. Input calibrating code. Enter next step. Select main tank load cell. Press enter button. Enter next step. Zero calibrating. Press enter button after zero calibration succeeded. Input the cylinder weight value of the handheld scale. Select next step and press enter button. Load cell calibrating. Successful. Press exit button back to main menu. Replace the fixing screws in their original positions. Close the door. Flushing tank load cell calibration is finished.